Hello guys, another BMW E30 related question, and this one is, basically, I removed the subframe from a donor car, which is, I believe, the 89 or something like that, and it's facelift, and subframe that was on a convertible that I'm building right now had disc brakes. This one has a drum brakes. It's funny because the convertible one is pre-facelift one. Okay, but that's not the biggest question. The biggest question is why some of the BMWs I don't see anti-roll bars on rear subframe. Just a question, because I have anti-roll bar, or whatever it's called, this bit. It was on convertible, yeah, and I'm just thinking, like, should I just take this one off and put it on a new subframe, which is this one. But then I was just thinking, maybe it's been somehow modified, or the previous owner just removed and didn't want it to have on his car or so. Then I have another donor car, a crashed American one, and this one, I don't know if it's gonna be possible to see. Wait a second, I'll take a light. So if you look on this one, which is, I believe, 1983 model, this one don't have anti-roll bar as well. So, do I really need it? Well, right now I'm just gonna install the rear subframe without it, and probably later on, if I realize that I need, I'll probably can add on without any problems and do conversion for disc brakes. So yeah guys, let me know what to do with this one. Do I need this additional piece on this not too complicated subframe, or I don't need and I can survive without it? And thank you so much for some of your responses on the previous video, especially BMW Restored. Thank you for your comment, really appreciate. At least now I feel like at least somebody is watching the videos and somebody can actually interact with me and tell me what to do and what not to do and how to do it best, I guess. And yeah, but yeah, if you have some other questions, not the questions, other suggestions to my questions, so yeah, feel free, leave the comment down below, and probably see you next video. Cheers guys.